Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to make this summer set that I made from scratch. So this is the scarf that I'm going to use, and I really love its vintage color. Now I'm going to make a cowl neck backless top and a wrap skirt. And I'm going to add a little curve here and a back here. So this is my pattern. This is on fold and a length of 12.5 inches and 6.5 inches and 6 inches in the armhole, and I add a little curve, and this is 3 inches. Connect this part. So I fold the upper part here, so I have a little effect on the cowl neck, and then place my pattern and fold it again in half. I'm going to use this excess fabric to make loops for this side. So after I sew the very long strap, I'm going to cut 4 pieces of loops. And then I'm going to fold it, cut it. And place it in the top. Place the strap inside the top. Place it here, and also for the loops. And after I sew, I'm going to double fold the edges in the bottom and sew it. So this is now how it looks like, and I'm so in love with it. And my nipples are not visible even I don't wear bra. And this is the back. And I was planning before that I'm going to make a 3-piece of top with this one scarf, but I think I'm going to leave it just how it is, and I'm going to make a skirt from it. And I'm going to finish this set by hemming these raw edges with a double fold, and I'm finally done. Easy peasy.
When I look into her eyes, I see paradise. We feel that love so deep.
enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and bell so you won't miss out to my next video.